Ji, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will talk about the Dextrin, the pharmacognosy of Dextrin. So let's first clarify what is Dextrin. The basic definition of Dextrin is a group of carbohydrate produced by the partial hydrolysis of starch. It means when a large molecule or large chain of starch is converted into a short chain of starch, then that short chain of starch is called actually dextrin. Synonym of dextrin is, it is also called dextrin, amylodextrin. It is not amylopectin. Amylodextrins, bright dex or pyrodextrin. Biological source, it is mostly found in plants like potatoes, corn, wheat, rice, and tapioca, which is a cassava plant root. How we can prepare the dextrins from starch? We can prepare dextrin by three processes. First one is by heating. When starch is heated up to from 150 to 175 degrees centigrade for 1 to 2 hours, then the starch will be converted into dextrin. It means it is a pyrodextrin. By heat we can convert the starch into dextrin. A long chain of starch is break down into short chain of dextrin, that is called dextrin. Second, by enzymatic action or by enzymatic reaction. Starch solution, when it is exposed to amylase enzyme and slightly we can give it to a slight heat, then the long chain of starch is broken down into short chain of starch, which is called dextrin. The third one, process by which we can prepare the dextrin from starch, that is by acidic hydrolysis. Starch solution, when exposed to hydrochloric acid in the presence of heat, same phenomena is occur. The long chain of starch is break down into short chain of starch, and ultimately that is called dextrin. Now let's come towards the physical properties of dextrin. Physical property can vary. It has a color like white to yellowish brown powder or granule. It means dextrin is found in white to yellowish brown powder or in granule form. It is soluble in water, forming a colloidal solution or suspension. Other property is it is tasteless or odorless. Next, it absorbs moisture from the environment, which is called hygroscopic in nature. It is hygroscopic in nature because it can absorb moisture from the environment. Now let's come towards the uses of the dextrin. It is used as a thickener, stabilizer, a binder in food products, in food products like in sauces, gravies, and baked. Next, it is utilized in adhesive formulation for paper, textiles, and industries requiring glues or paste. It's mostly used in machinery as a glue or paste. Applied in sizing, it is used as a sizing agent to produce stiffness and strength to fabrics, mostly in textiles. Used as a binding agent in a tablet formulation. Pharmaceutical point of view, it is used as a binder agent. It is included in certain explosive compositions. So these were all about the dextrins. And you know, dextrins are fully a group of carbohydrate produced by a partial hydrolysis of starch.